Decode and case. First, let's talk about decode. Decode will return some values depending on some equality conditions. This is the syntax for decode. It's decode, the column that it's created on, the equality condition, meaning the value that the column has to have in order to return the value 1, then the value that the column needs to have in order to return the value 2, and so on. And if the column is not equal to any condition, 1, 2, or any other, then the decode will return the default value. And we can also assign an alias to this function. I also put here an example. We have select the product from table products and also used a decode for applying a discount. We will apply a different discount for each product. So if the product is a table, then we will apply a 10% discount. If it's a chair, we will apply a 7% discount. And if it's neither a table nor chair, the discount will be 0%. Now, the case function is similar to decode, but it doesn't restrict us on an equality condition. We can have different conditions as well. So we have a case. When condition 1 is true, then it will return value 1. When condition 2 is true, then it will return the value 2, and so on, until if no conditions are true, then it will return the default value. The end and an alias if we want to assign one. As an example, I selected the product from table products and a case that returns the discount. If the price of the product is greater than 100, then we will have a 10% discount. When the price is between 50 and 100, then we'll have a discount of 7%. And if the price isn't greater than 100 or between 50 and 100, then the discount will be 0%. Notice that we don't have equality conditions here. We have a greater than operator and a between and operator.